Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. The exterior of the 2025 Toyota GR86 receives subtle but effective updates that enhance its aggressive stance. The front fascia features a redesigned grille and sharper LED headlights, giving the car a more modern and menacing appearance. The aerodynamic enhancements, including functional air vents and a revised rear diffuser, not only improve aesthetics but also contribute to better downforce and stability at high speeds. Toyota offers a range of vibrant colors, including new exclusive shades that highlight the car's sporty personality. The wheels have been upgraded to lightweight forged alloys, available in 17-minute and 18-inch options, reducing unsprung weight for better handling and ride quality. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires remain standard, providing excellent grip and performance for both daily driving and spirited weekend runs. Toyota has also introduced a new performance package that includes upgraded Brembo brakes and Sachs dampers for those who demand even more from their GR86. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a driver-focused interior that blends modern technology with a race-inspired design. The 2025 GR86 features a fully digital 8-inch instrument cluster that displays real-time performance metrics, including G-force readings, lap timers, and shift indicators. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger 10-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. A premium JBL audio system is available for audiophiles who want to enjoy their favorite tunes while cruising. The sports seats are wrapped in high-quality Alcantara and leather, providing excellent support and comfort during spirited driving. Toyota has made slight adjustments to the seating position and pedal placement to create a more ergonomic driving experience. The flat-beamed steering wheel, wrapped in perforated leather, adds to the sporty feel, and the aluminium pedals enhance the car's performance-oriented atmosphere. Toyota has also improved the safety features in the 2025 GR86. The Toyota Safety Sense suite now includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a rear cross-traffic alert system. These features ensure that even a car built for fun remains practical and safe for everyday driving. One of the biggest selling points of the GR86 is its affordability. Toyota has managed to keep the pricing competitive, making this sports car accessible to a broad range of enthusiasts. With a starting price just under $30,000, the GR86 continues to be one of the best performance bargains on the market. Even with optional upgrades like the performance package and premium interior materials, the GR86 remains an incredible value for the performance it delivers. For 2025, Toyota is also introducing a special edition GR86 with exclusive badging, a unique paint option, and performance tweaks that make it stand out from the standard model. Limited to a small production run, this variant is sure to become a collector's item for Toyota fans and sports car enthusiasts alike. In summary, the 2025 Toyota GR86 stays true to its roots, while refining its performance, technology, and design. It's a car that provides an exhilarating driving experience, exceptional handling, and impressive value, all wrapped up in a stylish and aggressive package. Whether you're looking for a track toy or a fun daily driver, the GR86 continues to be one of the best choices in the affordable sports car segment. Toyota has once again proven that driving excitement doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag, making the 2025 GR86 a must-consider for any enthusiast looking for pure, unfiltered driving pleasure.